Thank you for that, Daphne. Coach, right now though, medyo nahihirapan sila in today's ball game.
Yeah, and only because... Oh my God! See that shot attempt by Danny Marilao?
Sabi ko sa'yo, Coach, every time he puts it on his right hand. Sila dito, Mark Cruz off the middle. Jumper isn't good. Second chance for Abdul Sawat. Finally makes it.
Boy, this 3 and...
Nino Comboy. Gives it up. Turnover. Leland pushes it to Buroy with a left, and Buroy with a tough finish. Abdul. Fader goes to Don Achea. Still 10 on the shot clock. Jump shot is good for Rinwell Lianbing.
Oh my goodness, how simple is that?
Simple action can get it to go. Mark Cruz gets another jumper is Mark Cruz.
Na, hey, naistilan mo ko, hindi po pwede yan, babawiin ko yan. Diba? It's all a matter of pride in my opinion when you play a lot of defense.
Being played by Sarangani.
Did you at any point in your life ever grow that?
Yes, Coach, gotta send you the pictures. Ino Comboy getting a second triple of the ball game. Mahirap magtiwala kasi si Derek Freddy, alam niya kailan ilalabas yan eh.
Hindi, pero mahal ka niya ni Derek Freddy.
Swing pass, Rinwell Lianbing. Opposite side, different result. John Ambuluto, bomb basket bonus.
Yeah, that's what I was pointing out earlier. Tsaka yung mga puntos nila, dalawa lang ang field goals pa lang nila eh. Yung tatlo nagagaling dun sa mga free throws. But
Importante. Off to the right.
hey, there you go.
And the question is that a rebound or is that an assist? Buroy. Pressured by Kyle Oliva.
Good defense.
Labas sila dito. Tansinko.
Yeah.
Finally gets a triple here. Reject. Drive. Kick. Corner. Arim. Straight line and long. Rebounded by King Importante. It's a miss. On the game clock. Runs it down. Stops. Pops. Short. Pagkakataon. They can't get it. And